Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of summer, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw a fun summer activity, and I'll be showing you how to draw a background of camping. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our camping scene, let's begin by drawing the tent. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up like this. And then I'm going to curve back down for the opening of the tent. Next, I'm going to make a line across here and a line across here. Then I'm going to curve this line up. And then I'm going to curve this line down. Then I'll just bring this line all the way to the top here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and then right to here. We'll do the same thing here. Bring this line up. And then we'll draw this line right to here. Now, starting here, let's bring this line down here with a curve. Then we're going to curve this line down. And then let's bring this line right to here. Next, let's make a little line that's going to go up, over, and down, and we'll color that in for like a little stake. Same thing here, up, over, and down. Just color that in. And we'll do one here, up, over, and down. So it looks like they're holding the tent down. Then right across here, let's just draw the little line across for the opening. Now, right over here, let's make like a little fire pit. So I'm going to begin by making a little oval shape right here. We'll do another one next to it. One right here. A small one here. And another small one right there. Now we're going to draw the fire in here. So I'm going to begin by just making a little line that curves up and down. Then we're going to come down and bring this up. Bring this down here and up. And just bring it right to here. Next, starting right here, I'm going to make like an oval shape. I want to make a line that's going to come over, and then a line that's going to come over here. Then we're just going to curve this up for like a little log. Then we'll add like a little spiral in here. We'll do another one here, just put a little oval shape. Little line kind of up at an angle. And then another one up. You can see it's getting a little bit smaller. Little line that curves down. Little spiral like that. Then I like to add a couple little broken lines onto my little logs here, just so we have a little texture from the wood. Now, starting back here, I'm just going to make kind of like a bumpy little line. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, kind of jumping over the fire. Then I'm just going to make some bumpy lines for like some bushes here. So we're just going to make some bumpy little lines. Then next I'm going to make some little like pine trees in the back. So I'm just going to start here. I'm just going to make some lines that kind of come down on each side. Then I'm going to make some little points that go in. Do the same thing, just kind of come out and then make some points in, kind of come down and make some little points in. Do it again here. Down, down, and then we'll just kind of bring them down to here. Let's add another one here. It's a little smaller. We'll kind of make that little triangle shape. Make a couple little points on each side as we're bringing them down. Let's do another one over here so we have kind of like an odd number. We'll make that triangle shape. Make some of our points come in. You can see they can be different sizes too. Just kind of make these come down and then in. Next, in the back, I want to make it look like there's some mountains. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to make some little lines. They're just going to go up and then down. Make another one that's just going to kind of go up and down. We'll start up here, make ones kind of tall, and then come back down. We'll just kind of bring it over to here. Next, over here, I want to make like a little lantern. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a little skinny rectangle shape right here. Then I'm going to make a little curve on each side with another little rectangle shape right at the bottom. I'm going to make a little two little upside down U's. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down on each side, and we'll bring a little rectangle right at the bottom for our little lantern. We'll put a little button on it. Then you can always add anything else that you want to in here. You can be as creative as you want. I'm just going to go ahead and make some kind of like bumpy little lines around here, so it kind of looks like there's a bush over here. And then there you go. There is your drawing of a little camping scene. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.